Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add text and then how to rotate text on Wix. Okay, on Wix website builder, you know Wix, right? So Wix website editor. Now we are on this part where we can edit our websites. Now let's actually add some text. So add element, we have paragraphs, titles. I'm gonna grab this title, this huge big. Okay, you can add your title here, increase the font. Okay, so let's say we have this text here. Now I would like to rotate this text, right? Here we don't have anything, so we have just things related to character, to font size, but where is rotating, right? Well, there's actually two ways. You can go here to tools, toolbar, and with the toolbar you can select this your text, and from here let's say I like to enter 180 degrees. Okay, and it actually rotated the text, right? We can also click on this icon right over here and you can rotate your text, but we can also hold shift and will lock in when you rotate if you want some precise rotations. So yeah, make sure you remember shift. You can also this icon right over here, you can see an icon, actually it's an arrow going, you know, like in a circle kind of in a circle way it looks like. So if you click on this icon you can rotate your text. You can also, when you select your text from here, size, this is change the size, that's where you change the position, size, and rotation 80 degrees, let's say. So 23, you know. So yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.